Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 9. Complimenting someone's clothes.
You look really nice today.
Thank you. I just got this outfit the other day.
Really? Where did you get it?
I got it from Macy's.
It's really nice.
Thanks again. You look nice today, too.
Thank you. I just got these shoes today.
Really? What kind of shoes are they?
These are called All-Star Chuck Taylors.
I really like those. How much did they cost?
They were about $40.
I think I'm going to go buy myself a pair. I absolutely love what you're wearing today.
You do? I just bought this outfit a couple days ago.
Seriously, it looks really nice on you. Where did you buy it from?
I bought it from the Macy's at the Santa Anita Mall.
I really like that outfit.
Thanks. I think you look nice today, too.
Thank you. I just bought these new shoes earlier today.
Those are nice. What are they?
These are some Chucks.
Those are great. How much were they?
I got them for 40.
I think I might go and find me my own pair of Chucks.
I think that you look very cute today.
Is that right? This is a brand new outfit.
What store did you get it from?
I went to Macy's and picked it out.
I love your outfit right now.
Well, I think you look nice today too.
Thanks. I found these new shoes earlier at the store.
I think that those are some really nice shoes. What kind are they?
These are Chucks.
Your shoes look really nice. How much did you get them for?
They only cost me about $40.
I'm going to go get a pair for myself. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share the channel, Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.